This time I'm going to show you how to make a beaded link. Now I've made my own little eye pin here using a leftover piece of wire, because you never throw away the leftover pieces of ends of head pins and things. You can buy eye pins, but I think it's a waste of money. I've made a loop on here and I'm just going to thread on my bead, and then I'm going to make another loop on the top. So now if you're putting this in, for example, a necklace, you might want to make a wrapped loop here because it's going to be a lot stronger, especially if these are going to be attaching along. But and again you would put a wrapped loop on this side too, but for this purposes a plain loop will do. So I'm going to, and you want the loop to be in the same direction as this loop, not that way. So I'm going to hold the bead with this as before and bend it over my finger. There we go. So that I've got the two going in the same direction. And now I'm going to just make a loop as normal, which is again about 1 centimetre or just under ½ an inch, just like normal. Cut it off, bring in the round nose pliers, with my hand upside down as always, support it on my finger and begin to roll. Roll it in a straight line. If you get halfway and you run out of puff, you can always just reposition, and even if you need to, come in a little bit closer to the end of the pliers so that you get a nice round curve. And there we have a beaded link, and this can be easily used as a connector to join up many such links on a necklace or whatever really.